Einstein was born in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire, in 1879. His family moved to Munich when he was young, and it was there that he began his education. Though he had a curious mind, he wasn't initially a standout student in school. However, his interest in mathematics and physics blossomed early, particularly after he was introduced to the work of great mathematicians like Euclid and the concepts of Newtonian physics. After completing his schooling in Germany, Einstein attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, now ETH Zurich, where he graduated in 1900 with a degree in physics and mathematics. He struggled to find a position initially, but by 1902 he took a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern, which gave him time to develop his scientific ideas in his spare time. The theory of relativity. Einstein's special theory of relativity, 1905, was one of his most groundbreaking contributions. It proposed that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion relative to one another, and that the speed of light is constant for all observers, regardless of their motion. This theory led to the famous equation E equals mc squared, which suggests that energy and mass are interchangeable. This radical shift in thinking changed the way scientists viewed the relationship between space, time, and matter. In 1915, Einstein expanded this theory into his general theory of relativity, which described gravity not as a force, as Isaac Newton had suggested, but as a curvature in the fabric of space and time caused by mass and energy. This theory predicted phenomena such as gravitational waves and the bending of light by gravity, both of which were later confirmed by experiments and observations. Nobel Prize and the photoelectric effect. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for his theory of relativity, but for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. This phenomenon, where light shining on certain materials can cause them to emit electrons, was puzzling at the time. Einstein explained that light behaves as discrete packets of energy called photons, which was a key development in the emerging field of quantum theory. Later, life and advocacy. In the 1920s, Einstein's fame grew internationally, and he was invited to give lectures and write about his theories. However, the rise of Nazism in Germany in the 1930s forced Einstein, who was Jewish, to flee to the United States in 1933. He took a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he would spend the remainder of his career. Though Einstein was deeply focused on science, he was also an outspoken advocate for various social, political, and humanitarian causes. He spoke out against war, particularly the use of nuclear weapons, which were developed partly as a result of scientific work during World War II. He was a strong advocate for civil rights, particularly in the United States, where he supported African American rights and worked with civil rights leaders like W.E.B. Du Bois and Martin Luther King, Jr. Legacy. Einstein's work transformed physics and had a profound effect on both theoretical and applied science. The technology we use today, from GPS systems to nuclear energy, relies on principles first proposed by Einstein. His theories also laid the groundwork for modern cosmology, the study of the universe as a whole, and contributed to our understanding of phenomena like black holes, the expansion of the universe, and the Big Bang theory. Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius, and his influence extends into popular culture as well, symbolizing intellectual brilliance and creativity. Even after his death in 1955, his legacy continues to inspire new generations of scientists, thinkers, and innovators. Personality. Einstein was known not only for his brilliance, but also for his humility and eccentricity. He often downplayed his own importance and was known for his sense of humor. Despite his fame, he remained somewhat of an outsider, not interested in the trappings of celebrity, but rather in the pursuit of knowledge and truth. He was also a pacifist and advocated for peaceful uses of science, though during World War II, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt urging the U.S. to pursue atomic bomb development in light of Nazi Germany's potential nuclear research. Einstein later regretted his role in the creation of nuclear weapons. Conclusion: Albert Einstein is remembered not just for his intellectual achievements, but for his broader impact on society. His theories reshaped our understanding of the universe, while his moral philosophy, advocacy for civil rights, and commitment to peace continue to resonate today. His legacy as a scientist and humanitarian remains unparalleled.